Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include iPod adapter, leather seats, blind spot monitor, sun moonroof, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, tow hitch, bed liner, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.